Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 22635.3930, Beta Channel. Today releasing Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 22635.3930, KB5040550, to the Beta Channel. Windows Insiders in the Beta Channel will updates based on Windows 11, version 23H2 via an enablement package, build 22635.xxxx. For insiders in the Beta Channel who want to be the first to get features gradually rolled out to you, you can turn on the toggle, shown in the image below, to get the latest updates as they are available via Settings, Windows Update. Over time, we will increase the rollouts of features to everyone with the toggle turned on. Should you keep this toggle off, new features will gradually be rolled out to your device over time once they are ready. Turn on the toggle to get the latest updates as they are available to get new features rolled out to you. Going forward, we will document changes in Beta Channel builds in two buckets: new features, improvements, and fixes that are being gradually rolled out for insiders who have turned on the toggle to get the latest updates as they are available, and then new features, improvements, and fixes available to everyone in the Beta Channel. New features gradually being rolled out to the Beta Channel with toggle on asterisk. Shared content in File Explorer Home. File Explorer will now provide you with quick access to files that have been shared with you. If you are signed into Windows with your Microsoft account, you will be able to view files that have been shared with your account, such as email, Teams chat, etc. If you are a commercial customer who is signed in with your Microsoft Entra ID account, you will additionally be able to view files that they have shared with others. You can access this feature by launching File Explorer Home and clicking on the Shared tab item. You will also be able to view a broader set of file types in their recent, favorites, and shared sections on the homepage. For example, if you've recently opened edited files in Designer, Loop, Power BI, Forms, etc., these files will now be available in your recent list. File Explorer Home with new tabs for recent, favorites, and shared. Changes and improvements gradually being rolled out to the Beta Channel with toggle on asterisk. Taskbar and System Tray. We are trying out a more simplified system tray to highlight the date, time in a shortened form and to show the notifications bell icon based on DND status. Without the notification bell icon, you can get to your notifications by clicking the date and time to Notification Center. You can revert to the long form of the date, time and bell icon visuals by toggling the values in the settings via Settings, Date and Time under Show Time and Day in the System Tray and Settings, System, Notifications under Notifications. These settings are also accessible through the context menu shown by right-clicking the System Tray clock bell icon button. We've updated the previews that show when you hover over apps on the taskbar. We have also improved the animations for when these previews show on the taskbar based on Insider. Updated the taskbar to now support first-letter navigation, so when keyboard focus is set to the taskbar, Win+T, you can press a letter, and it will jump to the open or pinned app whose name starts with that letter. Pressing the letter multiple times will jump to the subsequent app which starts with that letter, if there are multiple apps for that letter. For those using uncombined taskbar, rather than app name, the first-letter navigation will use window name. Along with this, pressing Home and End will now move keyboard focus to the first and last, respectively, items in the taskbar. Windows Studio Effects. Windows Studio Effects delivers AI-based camera and audio enhancements on devices equipped with a Neural Processing Unit, NPU. Today, you can access Studio Effects in quick settings from the system tray of the taskbar. To further streamline your experience, an icon will now appear in the system tray when using any application with a Studio Effects enabled camera. Simply click on this icon to launch the Studio Effects page in quick settings. Additionally, hovering over the icon will display a tooltip indicating which application is utilizing the camera. New Studio Effects icon shown in system tray when using any application with a Studio Effects enabled camera. Windows Share. We are updating the UI in the Windows Share window for sharing content to an Android device that began rolling out with build 22635.3785. The option is also moved to be under Nearby Share in the Windows Share window. The feature requires you to pair your Android device to your Windows PC using the Link to Windows app on Android and Phone link on your PC. Updated UI for sharing content to an Android device via the Windows Share window, showing an updated icon in the nearby share sections.